Hello, sir. You don't respect police?
No.
Wear your mask.
But now wear no mask.
Why you not wearing any mask?
Come man, no for mask, no make for man.
Rasta, don't make a fool of yourself. You know, the corona killing people.
Who would fit dead, I go dead, and who not go dead, just for just live.
Rasta, you know me I carry down though.
Done with the fuck, Cridge.
At 3 o'clock now, you know, past curfew time.
Free my people. Free my people. No.
Hey, I'm going to need some backup. Big tall Rasta, him not in the car. See backup come here now. Turn one arm and put on the handcuff.
Why?
Hey boy, shut up. I mean, you get gunshot.
I don't care. My life is not mine.
I can't manage it.
Rise up and stand up on the last chance before we reach the precipice.
Hey, you hold on the gun here. You go home.
So hear me, my people. Stand up, you know.
Squaddy, it look like we're going to call Andrew one next for this, you know.
I'm not selling no vote, you know.
Shoot you now.
I'm from not selling no vote, you know, no sense.
Rasta, shut up.
Anything can happen right now.
Send more backup. The big tall Rasta give a problem out here.